As December came and went without an official announcement, many people started asking the same question. Did DJI quietly cancel the Avata 360, or was something else going on? Because if you look at DJI's launch history, one thing becomes clear: once certification labels, regulatory filings, internal images, and documentation start leaking, a product is usually very close to launch. That's exactly what happened here. For months, analysts expected the Avata 360 to launch before Christmas, possibly mid-December, following DJI's usual pattern of teaser videos about a week before release. But those teasers never appeared, and that strongly suggests DJI made a last-minute strategic decision to delay. According to multiple reports coming out of China, the Avata 360 was pushed to January 2026, likely in response to the surprise early launch of the anti-gravity A1. DJI didn't want to rush. Instead, they chose to refine the product and protect their technological lead. If that January timeline holds, the most likely window is mid-January, possibly around the 16th or 18th, with a teaser landing about a week earlier. Now, let's talk about what makes the Avata 360 so different. Leaks confirm this isn't just another FPV drone. The Avata 360 is a hybrid platform, capable of switching between traditional FPV flight and full 360-degree capture using a 90-degree rotating gimbal. In FPV mode, it behaves much like a stabilized Avata or Neo-style drone, with obstacle avoidance, collision sensors, LiDAR, and smooth flight using the motion controller and DJI goggles. This makes it accessible even to less experienced pilots. But switch to manual FPV mode, and all assistance drops away. This is where the Avata DNA shines: full freedom, aggressive movement, and total control using the FPV controller, which is still expected to be sold separately. The real revolution, though, is 360 capture mode. In this mode, dual lenses point upward and downward, each capturing roughly 180 degrees. DJI's processing stitches that footage into a single 8K 360-degree video, creating the invisible drone effect and allowing complete freedom to reframe shots in post. For creators, filmmakers, tourism, action sports, and immersive video work, this is huge. Leaks also suggest full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance in 360 mode, possibly using the lenses themselves alongside dedicated sensors and LiDAR. Advanced tracking features similar to ActiveTrack are expected, letting the drone follow fast-moving subjects while intelligently avoiding obstacles. On the camera side, the Avata 360 is rumored to use hardware close to the Osmo 360, with a large sensor capable of high-resolution photos and 8K video. Transmission should get a major boost thanks to O4+, potentially reaching up to 20 km with lower latency, a big deal for FPV pilots. Battery life is expected to improve slightly over the Avata 2, landing around 25 minutes, with internal storage jumping to roughly 128 GB, possibly alongside SD card support to handle massive 8K files. Pricing will likely follow DJI's usual bundle strategy, starting with entry-level kits and scaling up to fly more combos, depending on controllers, goggles, and accessories. If these leaks hold true, the DJI Avata 360 could become one of the most innovative drones DJI has ever released, opening the door to a completely new category of immersive aerial filmmaking. Now I want to hear from you. Would you fly a 360 FPV drone, or is this tech still too niche? Subscribe for updates, and I'll see you in the next one.